Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to share an incredible secret that completely transformed my weight loss journey. You won't believe how simple and effective this trick is. I am talking about a 5-minute routine that I did every morning before breakfast, and the results were nothing short of amazing. I lost 10 pounds in record time, and I'm here to spill all the details. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another weight loss gimmick, right? Trust me, I've been there. I've tried every fad, diet, and exercise program under the sun, always hoping for that magical solution. But this time, it's different. This 5-minute trick isn't about starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. It's a simple, science-backed method that anyone can do, regardless of their fitness level or busy schedule. So, what exactly is this miracle trick? It's a combination of mindful breathing, gentle stretching, and a specific set of movements designed to kickstart your metabolism and set the tone for a healthier day. I stumbled upon this technique while researching natural ways to boost weight loss, and I was skeptical at first. But desperate to shed those stubborn pounds, I decided to give it a shot. The routine starts with deep, controlled breathing. You sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take slow, deliberate breaths for about a minute. This helps center your mind and reduce stress hormones that can contribute to weight gain. Then, you move into a series of gentle stretches that target key areas of your body: your spine, hips, and shoulders. These stretches help improve circulation and wake up your muscles. The real magic happens in the final 3 minutes. You perform a sequence of bodyweight exercises that are specifically designed to rev up your metabolism. We're talking about modified jumping jacks, high knees in place, and dynamic twists. Nothing too intense, but enough to get your heart rate up and your body burning calories before you've even had your first sip of coffee. Now, I know what you're wondering. How can just 5 minutes make such a big difference? Well, it's all about consistency and timing. By doing this routine every single morning, you're setting yourself up for success. You're signaling to your body that it's time to start burning fat, and you're creating a positive mindset for the day ahead. But here's the kicker. It's not just about the 5-minute routine itself. It's about how it influences your choices for the rest of the day. I found myself naturally gravitating towards healthier food options. I had more energy to stay active throughout the day. And most importantly, I felt motivated to stick to my weight loss goals. Let me break down how those 10 pounds melded away. In the first week, I noticed a slight change in how my clothes fit. By week 2, the numbers on the scales started to drop. And by the end of the month, I had to tighten my belt a notch. Friends and family started commenting on how great I looked, asking what my secret was. Of course, I didn't rely solely on this 5-minute trick. I made sure to pair it with a balanced diet and regular exercise. But I truly believe that this morning routine was the catalyst that made everything else fall into place. It gave me the motivation and energy I needed to make healthier choices throughout the day. Now, I want to be clear. This isn't a magic pill. You won't wake up 10 pounds lighter after doing this for just one day. It takes commitment and consistency. But the beauty of it is that it's so easy to stick to. 5 minutes is all it takes. You can do it in your pajamas, in your living room, without any special equipment. There's no excuse not to give it a try. I remember the morning I stepped on the scale and realized I had hit my 10-pound weight loss goal. I was ecstatic. But more than that, I was proud of myself for sticking to something and seeing real results. It wasn't just about the number on the scale. I felt better, had more energy, and my confidence was through the roof. Since then, I've made this 5-minute routine a non-negotiable part of my morning. Even on days when I'm tempted to skip it, I remind myself how far I've come and how little time it actually takes. And you know what? Those are often the days when I need it the most. I've shared this trick with friends and family, and many of them have seen similar results. It's not uncommon for people to lose 5 to 10 pounds in their first month of consistently doing this routine. Of course, individual results may vary, but the potential is there for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Why not give this 5-minute trick a try? Set your alarm 5 minutes earlier tomorrow morning and commit to doing this routine for the next 30 days. I promise you, it's worth it. You might just be amazed at how such a small change can lead to such big results. Remember, the hardest part is often just getting started. But once you make this a habit, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's not just about losing weight. It's about starting your day with intention, taking care of your body, and setting yourself up for success. In conclusion, this 5-minute trick before breakfast has been a game changer for me. It's helped me lose 10 pounds. But more importantly, it's given me a sustainable way to maintain my weight and feel great every day. It's proof that sometimes the simplest solutions can be the most effective. So why not give it a shot? You've got nothing to lose. Except maybe those extra pounds you've been trying to shed. Here's to your health and happiness.